Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dishwasher upper dish rack rail stop. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new upper dish rack rail stop. The upper dish rack rail stop stops the upper dish rack from coming off the rails. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the upper dish rack is coming off the rails. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the upper dish rack rail stops. There's one on each side. They're both changed out the same way. All you have to do is grab the side you want to change and pull the rail out. And there's a locking tab right here that you have to press on to release. And then you want to push the stop towards the center of the dishwasher. There's a couple tabs there that's mounted on. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old upper dish rack rail stop next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new rail stop on, you just want to align these tabs up with the cutouts on the rail and push it in. And then you want to make sure the locking tab locks it on. Once you have it in place, you can push the upper dish rack in. Then we can close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.